Hey, what's up guys? So I'm finally back in the garage. Today I'm working on the bug. I put the 3-inch downpipe on it and I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out, but it's still too quiet, so I'm gonna cut the muffler off of it today. And I've ordered a Flowmaster straight through muffler I'm gonna be putting on it. I'm still waiting for it to come in, but today I'm gonna get the muffler cut off and do some measurements, see what kind of piping I'm gonna need. Still trying to decide if I'm gonna thought about running the tip out of this hole here, but it's kind of small. I'm probably just gonna turn the tip down like right here, like down like that. I even thought about, it'd be cool to cut a hole in the bumper and run the pipe straight out the center of the back. I thought that'd be really cool, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that just yet. So, but I got my Sawzall here, so we're gonna go ahead and get this muffler cut out and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so here we are underneath here. So what I'm going to do is, I've already cut this part of this exhaust hanger off. So I'm going to cut this pipe as close to this bumper as muffler as I can. Probably right up against it. So I cut it there, slip this out, and then I think I'm just going to cut the front hanger off, drop it out, and then we'll measure it and see what kind of little pipes we're going to need. Alright, let's get to cutting. Oh yeah. Sawzalls are the best things ever invented. Finally got it hacked out of there. Oh my gosh, that thing is huge. That's another reason I want to do is to save on the weight. Gosh, that thing's a monster. So we're back in the garage tonight and I got my new muffler in. So we're going to be putting that on tonight. Just got it in the mail from, I think I bought it on eBay. This is it right here. I bought the Flowmaster FX muffler. It's basically like a glorified cherry bomb. Straight through. I got the 2.5 inch on both sides. And it's really lightweight. Here's the stock muffler. You can see the difference. This thing here weighs a ton. So now we just got to get it welded on there. Got a couple adapters. And I got a pipe here I'm going to use for the tailpipe, so I'm just going to turn it down. Something like that maybe. So let's get to welding. So I got the muffler tip welded on. I got my adapter welded on. I just got to make the final weld to the pipe in the back. Got my 4x4s here holding everything up. So I got the tip turned down like that. I think it looks pretty cool. It's kind of sleeper, but not. I could always cut it off here too and add a different tip or whatever. But the factory design is for it to turn down, so I'm kind of going along with that. The original design like this, just with a bigger pipe, just a 2.5 inch, so we'll just go with that for now. Made some homemade exhaust hangers, one for the front and one for the back, so I just got to get them welded in there. Alright guys, I got the muffler all welded on. As you can see, it's sticking out down there. I got it sticking out kind of far. It might be a little much, but I can always cut it off. I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Got her all welded in there. My muffler hanger's on there. Weld's not too bad. And I got the stock hanger over here. She's solid. All right, well, it's a moment of truth. It's time for a cold start. Take it out for a test drive and see what it sounds like on the road. Sounds pretty good in the car. It's not too loud, just about right. Nice deep tone. Got some air right there. Well, that's it for the muffler video. It's on there, didn't fall off. So stay tuned for the next project. Actually, come here. The next thing we're going to be doing is putting this lovely steering wheel on there. Ultra suede Grant. I got the adapter for it, so that'll be in the next video. So stay tuned for that, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.